umsasazi ujabulile. I'm sure you're asking umsasazi ukutheni ejabulile namhlanje. It's the 10th year anniversary ye-Urban Exchange. Igama ngu-DJ Sabs aka Mr. Radio Man, ngunkomo lo ngumalinge. Ngaphandle kwamathandabuzo, we coming to you to make sure that iJampile Live brings you the best of the Eastern Cape. Apha namhlanje ke siphethe abafana abakhulu uJo, siphethe usisi uOnyx. Phandle kwamathandabuzo naye ke ulapha uStix Makhasana. Inhloko zonyoka all the way from ngapha eMdantsane, and Upitology is the one who curated the music and is making sure that siyonwaba phakathi pha. Masingabeke sizama uthetha into eninzi, masibaleke sikhangele ngabahlawumbi Urban Exchange special ntoni namhlanje. Inkqubo yethu ethi iJampile Live. Enkosi.
Turn it up, my friend. Tema, yeah, Sambulela, Tema, yeah, Salusat for him. And I still wonder, I still roll looking like I know more. Yeah, I know that I don't know for sure. Who sees these windows, my sinking job. Number one, Kobela Gala these days, unless you want assistance in your accelerated Jimmy Lazy, bro. But again, what is some best one? Whoop, CZ, what my CZ. Catch me on the corner on the standstill, because I'm not seeing you, but you can't shining shoes. Now you look like you got better for all type of issues. So niggas gotta chill. It's been a long time since high school. Just we can let the words feel. It's Clado, Caesar, Chisa, what is Simon, Acid, Chichi. My man colors millions, I ding a lot chichi. I put my phone on silence, yeah, I'm ding a lot sissy. Accuse, I'm your free boot, talk to me, Utini. Yes, feeling young, summer chin, I took pieces, PT. Sambulela Jeba, yeah. Sambulela Jeba, yeah. When I'm Salusan to Nile, Sambulela Jeba, yeah. Sambulela Jeba, yeah. Don't you dare partake in these parts. I've been paying attention what's the strategy. Don't stand up if you ain't got to back up. Shades of melanin don't mean we're blacking out. It's past curfew, we on the roads like a summer snapper out. First name low, Ugonti. Last name low, driver. Last boy to my para. Corner miss speed, I vote ya papa. When the most runners ya papa, can't say none. Words get stuck on my esophagus. Gotta keep my focus forward. Like a hot nanas behind me, three big mamas, but only God be the judge. Can't be saying too much, they've run out of the touch, so I won't be attached. When I sleep, I keep one eye closed, keep one eye open like that. Yeah, Jeba, yeah. Sambulela, Jeba, yeah. Salusan Kudi, Sambulela, Jeba, yeah. Except Sambulela, Sambulela, Jeba, yeah. Salusan Kudi. Thank you. Salusan Kudi, Sambulela, Jeba, yeah. Sambulela, Jeba, yeah. Salusan Kudi. Kamlambi Mucho. Now here's the song. Thank you. Here's the song I was trying to say. Tiku khona uyabona amanyanga ayandong singabantu sawo hlala sisona kodwa ke akhali nganto so khala njalo uThixo khona uyabona amanyanga ayandong singabantu sawo hlala sisona kodwa ke akhali nganto so khala njalo uThixo khona all the times, every time. Thank you. Now as we move on to the last one, Adije Kokaman. Now we're gonna move to the last one. Yeah. This is gonna be the last track. Yes. Unfortunately. Already. Sanofika ta. But let's get the people that are not used to the song be in tune so that when the beat comes on, song and we're on a similar frequency, on the same wave. It sounds in it down. Sounds in it down. Sounds in it down, especially condom in it down. Sounds in it down, when you condom in it down. Sounds in it down, speak it down, sends Zukusa. Sounds in it down, speak it down, sends Zukusa. Sounds in it down, speak it down, sends Zukusa. Sounds in it down, speak it down, sends Zukusa. Man's pants. Man's pants, it down. Man's pants. Man's pants, it down. That's the song. Hopefully it goes for everyone. So DJ was a director to that part. Now we catch the vibe. You last night met a couple girls, a couple snacks, a couple drinks. Lost a couple friends, but then we made a couple friends. Shivered in the city, the roots are really distinctive. My body couldn't even hide it. My body told me to slide. My heart said that you won't mind it. Faith is flowing with vice. She nice as a chocolate comic. She moves like she on the coffee. She shine like a sun like coffee. Hoping she know I'm hopping. We popping like champagne popping. These homies ain't supposed to be here. Like everyone is speeding. This time we look the tallest. We come out to take the chances, but give them our location. So we come on chat and take it. Leave it and we return it like BB hiding. Sometimes they don't know 20, 2 hours hanging as soon as we feel we threaten. Our damn job, our gloom, shit. My gloom, spelling yarns. My gloom was cock means that your organs are stuck up hands. Shit, I'm picking in, it's a couple of physicals. About 3 purple pants. My gloom was full of style. Now I'm allowed to dance and stand up on us and gas. I see my mom shit like that, such and such. Prize from a Sweden, yeah, they know something about it. Prize from a flower, yeah, they know something about it. Machitas and Jordy say they know something about it. Machitas and Mama, yeah, they know for sure. Sound, sit it down, sit it down. Sound, sit it down, sit it down. Sound, sit it down, push your quad down, sit it down, Sound, sit it down, swallow quad down, sit it down, Sound, sit it down, speak it down, send Zukusa. Sound, sit it down, speak it down, send Zukusa. Sound, sit it down, speak it down, send Zukusa. Sound, sit it down, speak it down, send Zukusa. Man's pants. Man's pants. Get down. Every time we out here, it feel like a Freaky Friday. We gon' lose our bodies, we gon' be without our bodies. Know that I am nothing, I'm something when we my bodies. We gon' live and choose that we go out like mad bodies. All these buildings out here got no literature about it. Know my auntie cleans it, but don't know the guy that owns it. Ask myself exactly what it is, cheese and know here. Soon as festive season, I know that we gonna own it. Corners gonna be lippy, helpless faces gonna be flooding it. We gonna shake this city, we gonna leave it dripping, bleeding it. Nothing's gonna be missing, cause you girls gonna be hard. Please gonna have guards, skin and pills gonna lie. I can't walk, when our boardwalk. Casualties of course, there are reasons for, there are reasons of course. We play for us, God please lead us, and stay for us. Y'all time in yes, and shall be yes. Never time no life, PC on my life. Stars wrong over, stars wrong get five, stars wrong and no, stars wrong get wrong. Price from the Sweden, yeah they know something about it. Price from the flower, yeah they know something about it. Machitas and Jordy said they know something about it, but Machitas and Mama, yeah they know for sure. Sound, set it down, yo, sit it down. Sound, set it down, sit it down. Sound, set it down, smash it quad down, set it down. Sound, set it down, swallow it quad down, set it down. Sound, set it down, speak it down, send to Kusa. Sound, set it down, speak it down, send to Kusa. Sound, set it down, speak it down, send to Kusa. Sound, set it down, speak it down, send to Man's pants. Man's pants. Man's pants. Man's pants. Down. the down, we stand in exchange, celebrate 10 years of hip hop, Slade Koberga, doing what we love and we know best. Goes in, goes.
Yeah, yeah, come on. Yeah, zit op de eno, op de ammo, met de home. Represent Dwa Production in Giza. Ja, man. Die vibes. Vincenzo, stop. And I stole some of them lines, yeah, ready to pop, come on.
I can't lie to you, 10-year anniversary Urban Exchange, it's a vibe. And next to me, Umjita wasezwide, Umjita that travels, atikeleza ibhayilonke. When he said he's from PE or he has been living around PE in many places, I say, hello, Umjita straight up. Because now I'm so Soweto, now I'm not on Njoli, going some other world, that our grand.
No, semandleni bhuti man. Ndiyabulela ba ube nam namhlanje out here celebrating 10 years ye-Urban Exchange kwi-hip hop.
Nakwethu, for people abangakwaziyo, just nje uthi qabaqaba yabo, who is Ucho and udume ngantoni?
Yo, Ucho yi-rapper yalapha eGqeberha. It's the way that I say my things, it's the way that I do my thing. I represent, I educate, I entertain. There's swag, there's wittiness, and there's also the spark for the future right there. Yeah, Ucho lo.
So Ucho, as an artist or an MC, were you always into hip hop before you grabbed the mic?
I was always doing hip hop. I was always listening to raps as a kid, but I started to grab the mic around 2014. That was my first performance. 2015, my first performance, my first song via Culture Consciousness Society. And from there on, I've been building up, doing more songs, writing more music and performing. The stages as needs as different. Yeah.
Awesomeness. Namhlanje sikwi-Urban Exchange 10-year anniversary. Njengomuntu that has experience, performing at the Urban Exchange, ingaba mhlawumbi ucimba i-message abayidlulisayo i-message enjani?
Hip hop is alive. Hip hop still got that fire that inspired us, singabantwana, that says something that reached and touched the person's soul. And nathi silapha kwi-hip hop, we're trying to do the same for abantu abamameleyo and the people who support our music. It's positivity, it's education, it's entertainment, it's mixed, it's progression. Yeah.
Makes sense mntakwethu. And then when, as far as your music is concerned, ingaba mhlawumbi 2026 usiphethele ntoni? Any singles that are going to be dropping, any albums? We'll give you the opportunity to tell us what's going on.
They usually say don't count your chickens before the eggs hatch, but I am working on music currently. I'm recording currently. Finally, I have my own studio now and I'm doing my own thing.
Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah. No, I understand the struggles of studio, Brian. Kubanzima. So for people who didn't have an opportunity to come to the one room, bakubona performer, ngabafumana phi umculo wakho, ngaba mhlawumbi i-platform ofumana kuzo social media where they can follow you.
On Facebook, it's fucking Rich Ucho. Let me explain. Far can reach angaya kude okanye angafikelela kude Ucho. It's hip hop, yabo. That's where you find me on Facebook. Also go YouTube, it's Ucho something else. That's where you're gonna get my latest project, which is The Trip. Kukutaichi, Kuko, Itu Dwelling Style, okanye Dwelling 6ix9ine. Also there's what you call this? There's also Teach School featuring Lion Dopey Lloyd. Shout outs to Dopey. Yeah. That's so far that's where you're gonna find me. But you can still write me. Nkosinathi Pinini, if you want to send an email, nkosinathipinini@gmail.com. Yeah.
Ayitsali guys, if you want to book Ucho, uyafumaneka phakula email, uyamfumana fucking Rich on Facebook.
Yeah.
I like that. Masibala sibheke ngaphakathi, there's more entertainment, there's more music. Tata siyabulela. Ijampile Mpuma Kapa TV celebrating with Uyakim the Urban Exchange 10 years yonke bekunyanzelekile ke ba siblesswe ngabantu bangaphandle abangabantu bangaphandle but this is the whole Eastern Cape crew inhloko zenyoka. You know them, they've been in the industry doing things and making sure that ihlumelo likhona apha Eastern Cape. Most amajita abeke phansi aphinda buya thina kudala hleli apha ingcambu zethu zilapha eMpuma Kapa. Madoda mandinibulise mandifuna uqala ngapha on my left ikhona manje isichaze ngubani sukaphi and i-contribution yakhe apha kwinhloko zenyoka.
So man nomna ndinguluthando kamzi ndingowaseqonce kwindawo kuthiwa kusedimbaza ezabalaza. I'm a vocalist. Yeah, so I'm a beat maker. A beat maker, yes.
Ikhona manje producer guys sangincokola nayo off air ndibuze ucinga ntoni ngo-AI asikho lapho. Tata kunjani?
Kuhle my brother, khona kunjani?
No, siyabulela mntakwethu. Chuncembe mntakwethu uxele le ndlela oyenze ngayo mntakwethu usichaze ngubani usukaphi and your contribution to the crew.
Nibondomise ngubuni. Mamba ngashifani Huba wenhloko zenyoka uMagufuli we-rap. Dililungu lenhloko zenyoka. Founding member with umkhulu uMboza. Ndiyarapper. Ndiyancedisa ekuleadisheni kwi-group. Yabo, ndisisicaka if igroup yalima if kwenza nento nenziwa if kuyalima ndiyancedisa kulelo into ezibhadlileyo kodwa ke noko because badala. Yabo, thank you so much my brother, thanks for having us.
Kwi-rap ke we pass the mic.
Yeah.
Ngumbaza lo khaya lethu wakwaMchasa ngumkhuma umXesibe inhloko zenyoka isi uHupa noMboza uSaino umzi silapha namhlanje eGqeberha all the way from King Williamstown. Silapha bafethu sisokwenza shoba siyanibonisa yenzwa njani lento. Asifuna ubeka lomboko singekenzi show into kuba igeneration elandelayo iyayifumana lento sifuna ayifumana. Yeah.
Look, DJ Saino. Sinovuyo Ncama, and I'm from Eqonyi. I'm a DJ, producer, composer. Yeah.
I'm not gonna make this long. Inhloko zenyoka have been in the game for quite some time and ndiyafuna ukwazi ingaba mhlawumbi what has been the evolution enhloko zenyoka intoni enigcinileyo ba ningagungqi because amajita amaninzi they come into the industry and they fade away.
Inhloko zenyoka i-movement yobuntu eyona nto isigcinayo yile nto sidibanisayo. Inhloko zenyoka zidibane ngephulo lokuzama uphakamisa ubuntu. We're using into esinayo esondeleyo kulutsha esondeleyo kwikasi esondeleyo kumadoda which is hip hop ukupromote le nto sifuna uyipromote. So namhlanje same ngalaa nto sasidibene ngayo yile nto ithi umuntu makadibane nomnye yile nto ithi masibe ngabantakwe yile nto isenze abantakwe yile nto isigcile sizinhloko zenyoka namhlanje. Enye nenye into eza kwinhloko zenyoka ilandela kwiphulo lokuzama ukukhuthaza ubuntu ebantwini.
No, it makes sense mntakwethu. Now the industry has changed but you guys have not changed. Yintoni baliba ningatshintshi?
Njengebesechilo umntakwethu ewe ingatshintsha isound nezinye izinto but thina singubuntu and asibawela utshintsha kuloo nto leyo. Ubuntu my brother thina sithatha ngehlobo lokuba i-solution kuzo zonke ingxaki esijongene nazo eSouth Africa. If sinobuyela back ebuntwini siyakholela ukuthi yonke into ingazisombululeka nje kakuhle.
Makes sense. Now, I'm a person that follows music, listen to radio, I watch TV, and I know that you guys, nisa studio niya recorder, ingaba mhlawumbi yintoni eniza nayo that we can expect for 2026.
2026 msebenzi mninzi kakhulu King. Yabo, inhloko zenyoka andiqinisana uba siyazazi ingoma zethu bazingaphi na. Sikwazi nokuthi ingoma zethu zingaphi na. So it's a matter of ukhetha zininzi ezizayo, zininzi ezikhoyo. So 2026 na kanjani there's some good music ozayo siqinisekileyo of fresh food yabo because intwenzeka when you're trying to promote what we promote ubuntu siyaqinisekisa ukuthi ngelixesha likhoyo kwenzeka ntoni na yabo sizama ukuthi sihambe nexesha likhoyo yabo singashiyekeli ngemva kakhulu because language yethu afunayo bengathi language yabantu abasuka kudala yabo. If ulutsha lwenza into ethile sinokwazi ukuthi sisebenze ngalo but siyazi siqinisekisa ukuba eyona nto siyiphushayo yintoni na ngokwexesha lanamhlanje yabo. So uhloko zenyoka they coming through with umculo wanamhlanje. If there's trap uhloko zenyoka ziyatrappa but ziyazi ukuthi trapping at the same time promoting ubuntu.
And I'm looking forward to that one. Bumakapa TV, channel 260, safumaneka napha kwa SABC Plus. Definitely, we're making sure that iJambile Live brings you some of the best in the Eastern Cape. Masibaleke sibheke phanga phakathi sizovwa ngabahlawumbi inhloko zenyoka siphathele ntoni.
We here to kill. Yeah.
1, 2.
That's my man. Standing there, Bettina. Noba unojayiva smile.
Lo umeyo unyaka themba ligama lufafa lomfana unyana owambethe izindlala emthanda lo mntwana ngamazi komncina komdala thembe bengathali inzima abazali bezama tata wakhe bengumcuphu mama ethengisa inyama nemali yazala kulomama nobuzalwa kulomama lo mama benamaphupha funa unyana uzafunda njenganye nawuphina umzali ngomntanakhe angaphupha thembe uzimisele esikoleni nakuphepha waphume nenjongo zodlula khasuka imeko zamtyuwa tata wakhe uyakhukhu nozala uphethe kukhula kwelinye igala uthemba kumbhale ngofuma thanda lento yokubhala ngokuhle iboni yaqhuma hambi lo nyaka sabona sebuqaphi kwithumba themba buyile esikoleni masekho mathuba umntanakho uyakhula ngoku sendiphethe nempuma zange bancuma abazali ngaphakathi bahlungu ngelo ncedisana nomculo nelapha ekhaya themba unqoncele kubheki nimi thengisa impahla abakhala abazali thini lo mntwana uyasehlasa themba yimbo limpolisa kosele ndlela manje utishela umhloli okanye umqwethe mame ndlela phekhanyeni ngaphangeli bethanda ngokuphangela mbokweni nakwibhenkile empahla nesihlaba amadala wayeningathoba amaqhala lo mculo ndiyawuthanda nomsebenzi womoya nithwala mama ndiyasurviva mane ngosomandla funa uphangela wena themba bhizi kulo mculo notata wakhe angenele akafuni uphangela sewateqethe kuthemba akafuni umamela khubekile le nto belikhaya bamane bendichwitha babize nomalumekazi lipolisa wamncila phendulile uthemba kunzima funa nolila malumekazi andinokwazi ukuba lipolisa nalowempahla umsebenzi uyandilibazisa ngingumhlali weqonga ndingumbhali wengoma ndiyimbongi yomxhosa ekaphuma kulo msebenzi yokuba inhloko yenyoka ndihoya ishishini yona ndlela yam yozondla fingile iqhubela ngokotha amaqotha khawuyeqoqotha lo msebenzi wakho uyakumosha nakumsebenzi oneqhosha ngobuso phansi kwasiphosa kanti phoni wakhomba vote kwelo ubukhosa wanqonga uphala nambona qonda inhliziyo iyopha ezami izandla ndazikhoma
nisakhona nisakhona nisamamela nihamba naye nibabile
wena themba
yangemithandazo yabazali kwanobugosa kwafumana emveni kwahlwena dlebe kwathunyelwa kwisinana wayengelahle ithemba thoyilafi ngemnandanga shiya abalandeli bakhe bomculo engachazanga indaba zikamasithela kodwa umculo waphume ekhanda phakathi kwisinala themba uvula isayfa kwaba bebengandimamela abazali bami ekhaya ngoba lingathuthuma lihlule naminqweno yabo ifela phupha lami liphile nalo ngengoma zami ezililisa eziphilisayo ndodla usapho yayizingcinga nendzinga ngoculo ehlale ecinga kodwa ekugqibeleni uhlala ucinga indlela yabamtsuku ixesha lesinala kakudlula themba ulikhosa abazali bayavuya waphangela uthemba wanemali uthemba kokwesimali walibala ngabazali esela qala eshibhini emsebenzini ufike emva kwexesha uyeva phelulo msele esikhululweni esihlejwa themba usitshintshile ngesithuthi somsebenzi ingozi uyenzile sutyile imiphefumulo mine uthemba usindile themba konakelele
buyisani kumama
themba konakelele
buyisani kutata
themba konakelele
kumalumekazi
themba konakelele
hayi suka ndiyazi
hlawula imoto kwabulela usinda kwisitsholo bavukwa sisimbo sosoloko samkela isijobo uthemba iqhewu imali kondlela mnyama wayingena jaba wayizombela umhadi kwithafa ifikile imini kumfila ngalimtshonele emini kwaphela imincili bafela ubuso baklinidlini kaloku unyotyiwe njengesiqhelo kanti kumgibe umsebenzi utyila kuphelelanga uthemba banjini minyaka emine kwelimnyama igumbi efihliwe bumile bomi bakhe bufana nengoma ekuphosa wayengena choice fangesinqali phelile ivoice boys kwelile court awathiwa nge-criminal record engaphakathi uzamile ubhalele kasi tata ndije wena nomani ubekazi uphuma kwamama ngizosiphoba yisunasi andisenabani senakhona ngabaphansi phumile ejele wasinikele etywaleni ngakumbi mama kuyamncama kambuzi into enzekayo kayiqhubi wayesarha eqokelela amakhobe esimokolweni enamatyeli esotshulwe jinge entantsheni tulo ezintlweni wasimanya nabaphangi bebhanka nalapha kabanga nalaka bathi bephanga bagaleleka bakwantsasana bezama ukuqotsa samthatha isigada setraffic sawumjula kwikoma Themba, 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 ungalahli Themba, 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 nyamezela nisakhona nisayibambile Themba, show my selector. Let's go straight to the next one.
Yeah.
Molweni Pai,
Zinhloko zenyoka.
molweni Gqeberha.